Good morning, Hiker Trash.
Morning.
This is probably the best morning view we've had from, like, specifically from our tent.
I agree.
Look at this. Oh my god. And it's like nice right now because the rain fly is blocking the wind, so this is just great. And we have a short, flat day ahead of us.
Yay.
This is a really good morning already. We're just taking our time. Bush is getting her bagels ready to eat, and I'm gonna get some food too. 10 days left on trail.
Crazy.
Yeah, 10 days. That's weird.
And then we go home.
Then we go home. 3 days later, 4 days later. But yeah, gonna get my breakfast. Bush is already getting some sun butter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get hiking. Pick up sticks. This is really interesting. Oh my goodness. Hi you. Hi. Hi. You guys here. Oh my. Wow, this is... What's the name of it? You're such a cutie, aren't you? Oh, hey dear. Hi. Hey boy. Oh, you're such a cutie, aren't you?
Over this?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I mean, the stream is full of them all the way down to the river.
Alright.
And other places in the wilderness, you take a loop off of the trail, it's Gulf Angus.
So over here we have a fire, and over here we have Pinky Toe, and this is the reason why. Thank you for contributing to this vlog. To capture this beautiful moment while everybody's on their phone taking pictures.
It is amazing that we do have these little devices to capture all these moments.
Oh yeah. You know, the forefront or the people who hiked AT before, you know, didn't have.
Oh yeah.
Something for navigation.
Like backpacks? Goats? Comments on whether or not the spring show?
So I think it kind of needs to give you an explanation of what's going on here. So at Pierce Pond Shelter, not too far out of Monson, you can go a 0.3 Blue Blaze and you get to this place, Harrison's, which mainly caters to anglers and hunters, but it has Tim here who is right now making us a very delicious breakfast, and for the full shebang, 12 pancakes, sausages, eggs, is $12. So you can also just choose pancakes as $9 or pancakes and something else, and that's $11. So we're gonna get a really nice breakfast here, and it's gonna be awesome because the weather right now is pretty damn sad. But hike is hike, so even in bad weather we need to get out. But right now we're just gonna enjoy breakfast.
like there's no one out here. So yeah, I remember looking. I would always check through the logbooks or Instagram, like posts ahead of.
Burst got a vegan breakfast. Now he has breakfast.
Action shot.
Oh yeah, the action shot. Oh.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's pour some sugar on it.
Service in vegan is taken from trees.
You idiot.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. See how good I am? Life? I mean, if I'm good at pool, that means I'm good at life, right?
Yeah, of course. Damn, you must be shit at life.
Must be shit at life.
It's very pretty.
Where's the waterfall?
Everywhere. Oh, look at that. That looks cool. Yeah. I bet that's too far.
Right here, baby.
And the heart does go on.
If you like, I just ask you paddle on that right side, okay? Instead of the left. Right side here? Yeah. Just because there is a current here. Alright. Welcome to the Kennebec River.
Thank you.
The easy part of your journey in Maine.
So Odie is actually down at the riverbank. Since we're so many people, it's going to take a while to get us all shuttled over by the boat. But he said we could go in his bus and he should have a cooler with some sodas. Yay!
This is where Odie lives.
Thank you, Odie. That was nice. So sweet of you. Appreciate it. What's such people?
That's not something you gotta tech bars 3 times.
This mountain is called Mount Pleasant, but I don't really know about that. This is the top of Mount Pleasant. Woo!
AT marker here too. Then we have a beautiful view. Good morning, Burst. Came down to the pond here at Bald Mountain Pond Shelter, also known as Moxie Pond Shelter, I think. We did 23 miles yesterday, so today we only have to do 18 pretty flat miles, so that's nice. And we're enjoying a sunrise. Also, it's drying out some things, I think. Are they wet?
I just got some condensation.
Oh yeah, yeah, a lot of that. It's beautiful. Now we're gonna eat our breakfast. I got a habit of doing. I again ended the video pretty abruptly yesterday because we got into Shaw's place, Shaw's lodging thing. You want to say something?
I slept here last night.
You slept there?
Yeah, right here with all the food on it.
Like this?
Yeah, I slept in this little corner right here like this.
Did you have a good night's sleep?
It was wonderful.
Okay. Yeah, and these guys and Superman are all heading out today to hang out on trail.
Heck yeah.
Oh yeah.
Trail time is best time.
It is, true. But to have the best trail time for me and Boris, we need to have another night at this place. Because we're really tired.
This beautiful establishment. I get that.
This is a beautiful establishment, and I'll take you on a little tour of it now. So, this is the hallway of the upstairs. This is where Boris and I slept in a little private room, but since it's gonna be a full house, we'd have to move, but that's okay. We've been enjoying it either way. This is the doggy! This is Superman and also Santa's little helper.
Yeah, does it make me look fat?
No, it makes you look really skinny. Yeah. This is a doggy again. Hey, doggy. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, yes, you are a good boy. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it is a hard life being a dog. This is where we got an amazing breakfast. There's still some pancakes left, it looks like.
Poet, I found a charger.
Oh, that's Professor, right?
Huh?
I think this is Professor.
Is Professor?
It's okay.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I'm a better looking version of Poet. You can tell I said that.
I will. Where do you want me to leave it?
In here we have Jedi and Lufa jamming out. Oh yeah, there they go. Awesome, guys.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. So out here we have the little garden place where all the shoes are stored nicely. Then there is the Gear Emporium, which is really cool. You're heading out for more adventures? Yeah. Oh, good luck.
Thanks.
That's Poach Gear, and up in the top is a flying pig. There we have it. Beautiful Gear Emporium. So I don't think I have to tell you guys this, but this is definitely the place to stay at the 100 mile wilderness, or if you're coming out of it, this would be the first place you get to, and it's beautiful and it's great. That's why we also chose to do the zero here. So yeah, gonna enjoy my zero and everything that comes with it. Take care, guys.